I upgraded from the piece of crap 3-spool valve with an additional valve on the side, which all of them leaked, to a new 7-spool valve. And 2 of these are joysticks, which will be easier to operate. This thing, it's straight if you don't look at it too much. I'll fix that later. I also think I need to redo the seat because this thing's a little janky, even when it's on. A little sketch. I'm hoping to come back out later tonight and finish up plumbing the hydraulic lines after I get the little ones to bed, and maybe then I can test out if my new hydraulic downriggers, outriggers, whatever you call these, work.